Bay Windows Florence offers homeowners a unique opportunity to enhance their property's aesthetic and functional appeal. Custom bay windows. Florence provide a personalized touch, allowing for a perfect fit in any residential or commercial setting. Energy-efficient bay windows in South Carolina are designed to reduce energy costs while providing a stylish look. Bay window replacement in Florence is a popular service for those looking to upgrade their existing windows. Bay window replacement in Florence ensures that any damage is promptly addressed, maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Residential bay windows in Florence are a favorite among homeowners for their ability to add space and light to any room. Commercial bay windows. Florence are ideal for businesses looking to make a statement with their storefronts. Bay window design in Florence offers a variety of styles to suit any architectural preference. Bay window styles in Florence range from traditional to contemporary, ensuring a match for every taste. Bay window contractors in Florence are skilled professionals dedicated to providing top-notch installation and replacement services. Affordable bay windows in South Carolina make it possible for everyone to enjoy the benefits of these beautiful features. Bay windows. Florence experts are available to guide you through the selection and installation process. Bay window solutions in Florence are tailored to meet the specific needs of each client. Bay window upgrades in South Carolina can transform the look and feel of your home or business. Bay window maintenance in Florence is essential for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Bay window glass in Florence is available in various options, including energy-efficient and decorative styles. Bay window frames in Florence come in a range of materials, from wood to vinyl, each offering unique benefits. Bay window materials in South Carolina are chosen for their durability and aesthetic appeal. Bay window dimensions in Florence can be customized to fit any space, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Bay window features in Florence include options like built-in seating and storage, enhancing both form and function. Bay window benefits in South Carolina extend beyond aesthetics, offering improved energy efficiency and increased property value. Bay window services in Florence encompass everything from initial consultation to final installation. Whether you're looking for a simple replacement or a complete window overhaul, the bay window contractors in Florence are ready to assist. With a focus on quality and customer satisfaction, Bay Windows Florence experts are the go-to choice for all your window needs.